So what is the vector equation of the line OA in the diagram below? So I'm just going to draw a line between O and A. So this is something we're looking for. Point O, point A, right? So a vector, if we want a vector pointing in this direction, okay? To figure out the vector equation, we know that usually we have our vector equation R, right? We have a point, right? Column form of point plus lambda and our direction vector, or plus about to right vector, or maybe plus our direction, right? Lambda times our direction. Lambda is just any constant, okay? Lambda exists as k, any constant. Right, so let's figure out point A. We can see that A is all the way to the left, all the way down the bottom, and all the way up the top. So let's look at my point for A. My A would be on my x, so usually, well, our point should be x, y, and z, right? So looking at my x is at 1, right? Down at 1, maybe let me rub this out so everyone can see. I'll use a different color. So over here, right, x is 1. Our y over here, we're going towards the left, and we can see is indicated by a -1. And lastly, our z is indicated by a +1, okay? Indicated by the +1 over here. This is my point A. I got my point now. Now I need my direction, which is going to come from my OA, right? My OA, essentially, you can think of it as point A, or maybe not without the vector, just point A minus my point of the origin, right? So which is 1, -1, 1, minusing 0, 0, 0. That's my origin coordinates, right? So what I get is just still 1, -1, 1. We have the coordinates of the point, and we do have the coordinates of our direction. So putting it into our vector form, what we get is just 1, -1, 1, which is my point, plus lambda, or in this case, they use k. Okay, so I'm going to change it into k, plus a constant k, timesing our direction, which is still 1, -1, 1. Okay. And if we look through all of our options, A have the wrong directions, B also have the wrong directions, same as C, although they all have the same A coordinates. And for our D is our only option left, right?